Thoughts on someone fairly new to cybersecurity, currently have a Security Plus, knowledge of the NIST 800 framework, how to get my foot in the industry without actual technical experience. Do you believe master's degree is still good? Bruce, what are your thoughts? They're fairly new at cybersecurity and they currently have a Security Plus. They have knowledge of NIST 800 framework, but they want to get their foot in the door. They want actual technical experience. How do they do that? It's hard to get in this industry as a cybersecurity person with no experience. Think of it like this. If you have taxes, do you want to go to somebody who doesn't have any experience doing taxes? You're handling very important information. People are trusting you with their social security number, their taxes going back a year. You need somebody who knows what they're doing, right? They don't want somebody who's fresh off the streets touching $100,000 system if they don't know what they're doing. But let me show you what you can do to get that experience, right? All hope is not lost. You type in cybersecurity, either entry level or internship. If you have no experience whatsoever, but you have a degree, they're often looking for cheap labor like yourself, right? So they want somebody who they can mold, and a lot of times they'll keep you on and then they'll do on-the-job training. So actually it's really good for both of you. It's good for them because they get to help somebody to grow into that position and that they're going to keep for longer, or so they think. And it's good for you because you're getting hands-on experience, and sometimes you're even getting mentored into that position. So Google cybersecurity internship and let's take a look at what they have here. And they're not looking for you to have any experience. That's the beauty of an internship. You know, they might want you to have a degree or something. Required experience, high school diploma with some college, U.S. citizenship, understanding of incident response. This is how you get your foot in the door. This is how you get yourself some experience. This is one way, by the way. The other thing you could do is type in entry level. Now, entry level, it's a little bit more tricky because you might have somebody who they need at least a year of experience, right? So entry level means like a year or more of experience usually. So entry level, like if you have some experience, this is kind of like a step up from internship. But if you're a student and you really have zero experience, internship is when you want to start. Get your foot in the door, get about 3-4 months worth of experience, then go for an entry level position. Unless you get lucky and get yourself an entry level position where they're going to train you and they're going to want you to fill that spot in and let you grow with that position. And the Security Plus is great. That's a great start, you know, but you really need experience. There's no replacement for experience.